On this episode, I'm going to demonstrate a hair routine for thicker, stronger, and healthier hair. With that said, let's get right into it. What's going on? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. And I'm going to demonstrate a 3-step routine that's going to support hair growth. It's going to support a stronger, healthier hair. This is a great routine, and you always want to start off with a healthy routine because that's where a lot of the problems can manifest from, just not having a healthy scalp. If your scalp has a lot of bacteria and fungus and a lot of other things that do not support healthy hair growth, then it can begin to break down your hair. And so what we want to do is provide you a therapeutic hair growth system that will begin to improve your hair texture, improve the way your hair feels, improve the way your hair looks, and improve the strength of your hair. And not only that, but also improve the health of your scalp, because that is the foundation, that is the soil, that is what keeps your hair growing and glowing. You know what I'm talking about? So we're going to start off with the My shampoo. It's a therapeutic shampoo. We have peppermint oil, tea tree oil you'll find in there, other essential oils that's there to help with not only cleansing the scalp, but supporting the scalp so that way the hair can grow. And the second step is the My conditioner. This My conditioner is a powerful conditioner for stronger, thicker, and healthier hair. And again, we're using these essential oils: tea tree, peppermint, saw palmetto. All these oils, essential oils, have been proven to help with supporting growth. And then lastly, the third step is the My Hair Repair Serum. And the My Hair Repair Serum is going to help with men if you're having issues with dihydrotestosterone or DHT, fungus, bacteria. If you're having issues with just a strong hair, this has tons of essential oils that's going to help with keeping your hair healthy, keeping your hair strong, keeping your hair thicker. So let's go ahead and get into it right now. Well, I hope you got tons of great information. Also, I hope you got a routine that you probably did not have prior to. And the link up for that My Hair Growth System will be in the description. Please watch our previous episode, and please look out for our next episode. And don't forget, leave some comments. Love to hear your feedback. And this is your boy B. As always, I'm out.